Hello guys, in this video we will learn about text view and its modifier such as font, color, alignment, line spacing and multilines. In this tutorial we will take a deep dive into how to use text view and its modifiers. Let us see some example. To create text view you can type text and followed by string, or you can use shortcuts like command shift L. You can select this first tab and search text view, and you can click and drag to your code directly. Again press command shift L and you can select this second tab. This is modifier. You can change any modifying to existing element. Just now I'm going to be search font, so I just click and drag to this one, font dot title, so it's little bigger than the title. You can change this one like this, subheading, title, body, captcha, like that. You can select as your wish, or you can use visual editor tool. Just expand this one. There is an option you can change this font style. Now I'm going to be change the font weight. To change font weight, just type font weight followed by dot, bold or heavy, light. I just making semi bold. You can also adjust this here. You can change the font weight to thin. Now I'm going to be change this font as italic. To make italic, just type italic. This function make your font italic. You can change foreground color using dot foreground. I'm changing this color as orange. You can also change this color from here, and I'm changing the weight as bold. Dimension and alignment also available in text view. You can create a frame for longer text. I just making some more text. Just command jump to definition. I just copy paste some of this content from here. Just here there is a multi-line text here. I'm just going to be make resume. I'm going to be set the frame of this text dot frame. I'm changing the height and width. Now I just changing the width as 100, and I'm changing the alignment dot bottom. So this alignment is width of 100 and alignment bottom. By default it's supposed to be center will be looks good. You can also use multi-line text alignment. Use multi-line text alignment modifier to align the multiple line of text with leading, center or trailing option also available. Just to make multi-line, just type dot multiline dot center. You can also have option to limit your line. Just line limit 2. Just making a line limit 1 and making the resume. It's now it's one line. line spacing. You can also make space between the lines. Dot line spacing of 10. So I just making the spacing of 10 for this text. And you can do more fun with this text view, like letter spacing. To make letter spacing, you can use kerning or tailing option. So I just going to be show some letter spacing option type kerning. You're supposed to be use kerning after the text right here. Dot kerning 2, making the more letter space like this. You can also change background color followed by dot background and changing the background color as black. If you want to strike this text, you can simply use dot strike through. You can also make underline, just type underline. And if you want to more style means you can modify these properties using right here. You can search your modifier like background. If you want to change background, you can select here and you can change the background like this, and you can search whatever you want. You can search here for more modification, because by default the inspector attribute have limited option. For more modification you can search here and you can get. You can also delete this option too. You can also add padding like this. If you want to remove something here, you can just click this close button and you can remove this one. Now this very hard to view, so I'm changing the background color as black.